Welcome to our channel Upscale Learning.
Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will be writing the names of animals and their homes. Cow. Cow lives in shed. Shed shed. Horse. Horse lives in stable. Stable stable. Hen or chicken. They live in coop. Coop. Dog. Dog lives in kennel. Kennel. Next one. Cat. Cat lives in cattery. Pig. Stay. Pigs lives in stay. Ant lives in ant hill. Snake lives in hole. Rabbit lives in burrow. Lion lives in den.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.